In the ancient Namib, where temperatures soar over 40 degrees and shade is scarce, lurks a creature that looks like it comes from another planet. It's a solifuge. Some call it a sun spider or sun scorpion, but it spins no web and wields no venom. It's an arachnid, as long as your hand. Hyper-aggressive and armed with gigantic jaws. Unlike spiders or scorpions, which can have up to 12 eyes, the solifuge makes do with just 2. It relies on ultra-sensitive hairs all over its body to detect the faintest vibrations from moving prey. Once locked in, those spindly legs unleash one of the fastest sprints in the arachnid world. Out here, the solifuge doesn't chase shadows. It catches them.